me warn you. Let me warn you before you destroy your own case. Everything you're about to say in court, every word you're rehearsing, every speech you think needs to be heard doesn't matter. Not because it's untrue, but because it's unfair. But because family court doesn't run on voices, it runs on paper. If you've poured your heart into statements, emails, and bundles, thinking once they've read this, they'll understand, oh, by gum, they'll understand, you're already in danger because the system isn't listening for truth. It's scanning for risk. And if the wrong sentence is written in the wrong way at the wrong moment, that can set you back years without anyone ever telling you why. Today, I'm going to show you why family court is one on A4. Paper wins cases, always wins cases, or destroys them. Now, that is the pure fact. It will either win or destroy your case. I tell you things in this training that no one will tell you. No one will tell you. The corporate people won't tell you this stuff. People won't tell you this, yeah? And just because no one else is telling you this, that doesn't mean this is not true. You might think it's crazy, and people do think I'm a bit fucking bonkers. But I tell you now, most of these people have never set foot in a family court. If you want to be successful in family court, then you need to make sure that you pay attention to what I'm saying. It's simple as that. Yeah. And if you agree, please leave a comment in the box below. If you don't agree, obviously leave a comment, but I think we'll find that the majority of people I'm speaking for, at least, I'm the litigants in person that I'm speaking for. This is from my own personal experience, and this is from over 15 years now of being in family courts as a Mackenzie friend, learning family law, probably better than anybody else that I know, and probably than anyone else in the country, I'd say, because I can read things that people would not even begin to be able to, and I can get people through shit that they would not necessarily have gotten through in the same way without me. Being 2 steps ahead, always, always, always. So let me tell you something. When I tell you this stuff, it's no other parents, no one will tell other parents this stuff. That's why you're probably either hearing it for the first time, but you've experienced it, you've not been able to articulate it, or you've just not been in family court, so you've got no right to comment. But family court is not run on truth. It's not run on truth at all. It's not run on fairness. It's not even run on law in the way that you think. Family court is run on paper. And if it isn't written down, it didn't happen. If it's written badly, it happened badly. If it's written emotionally, it's ignored. And if it's written at the wrong time, it's used against you. By the time you speak in a hearing, your case has already been quietly judged by people skimming a bundle with a highlighter, not listening, skimming. And this is where most parents lose. And they never realize when. They think they're being heard. They think they're explaining. They think passion counts. It doesn't. It absolutely does not. Yeah, family court doesn't reward sincerity. It rewards usability. Can the judge safely rely on what you've written? Can they quote it without defending themselves later? Can it justify the outcome if someone complains? If the answer is no on any of those, your words are dead. This is the lie you've been sold. Ready? Just tell your story. Just tell it. Just tell all of your story. Let it all out. No. That's how people lose their children for years, because family court doesn't want your story. It wants risk managed material. That's why, and this is why, short beats long, always. Boring beats dramatic. Structured beats heartfelt. Neutral beats angry. This isn't justice, it's institutional self-protection. And here's the brutal bit. Most parents submit documents that raise risk. They accuse, they editorialize, they demand accountability, they explain motives, and the system quietly says, geez, this parent is unsafe to move towards. Not because they're wrong, but because they're noisy on the wrong channel. Let me be absolutely clear. Paper is a weapon in family court. Emotion is ammunition waste. From today onwards, everything you write must be answered one question. Does this make the decision maker safer if they agree with me? Not morally right, not vindicated, not heroic, safe. It doesn't matter. If it doesn't, then don't do it. Simple as that. It doesn't go in. It doesn't matter. It absolutely does not matter. This is the discipline. This is the discipline that wins cases quietly while others shout. And I kid you not, people will find this very, very difficult. You will find this very difficult. Take one document you plan to file, one document, strip it right back. Remove every adjective that signals anger or betrayal. Turn every accusation into a verifiable event. Link each event to impact on the child, not you, the child. Then ask, could a judge quote this without flinching? If not, rewrite it. Family court is not a microphone. It's a filing cabinet. Learn that or keep shouting at walls. And that's how parents lose. Everything while speaking perfectly. Buongiorno. Till next time. Day 20, I believe. Good luck.